our age calculation, we haven't considered the people who have a death date, and our calculation is showing how old they would be if they were still alive, leading to a high number of very old people in our histogram. This is not what we want. There are multiple ways to solve this problem, but I've chosen the one that will be most useful later in this section. Let's focus on the people who are still alive by creating a new calculated field called alive that checks whether a person has a death date or not and returns either true or false. If a person doesn't have a death date, the value appears as null in our dataset. IsNull is a special function that has two possible return values, true if the value is null and false if it is not. We simply insert the function and pass death year as our only argument. We see this new field has a different data type symbol to those we've seen before, indicating it's a Boolean field. We could simply add this as a filter to our histogram, but instead we're going to edit our age field to include an if statement, which will allow us to perform this calculation only if the person is alive. Notice that spaces and indentations are ignored in Tableau, and you can use them as you wish to make your calculation clearer, as I've done here. A basic if statement in Tableau has three essential parts. First is if, which asks the question, is this thing true? We need to use our alive field here, which will return true if the person is alive. If we wanted to ask if the person is not alive, we would simply add not before the name of the field. Second, we need then, which tells Tableau what to do if true. In our case, we've already written that part. We want to calculate their current age. Finally, we need to write end to show the statement is complete. Lastly, let's change the name of the field to living age.